Adjusting the cyclic pitch. In the manual servo mode option, select pass-through. Modifying the maximum cyclic pitch angle parameter allows you to adjust the cyclic pitch. First, check the cyclic pitch value. Turn on the remote control, center the left stick, and move the right stick to the bottom left corner. The pitch gauge shows a value of 7.9. The cyclic pitch value should be close to 8. If the cyclic pitch value is not around 8, you can adjust it by modifying the maximum cyclic pitch angle parameter. Cyclic pitch adjustment is complete. Next, take a look at the parameter settings below. These parameters are set according to our predetermined settings. Maximum pitch is 12, minimum pitch is -12, zero pitch is 0, and takeoff pitch is -2. Next, let's look at the throttle settings. For the rotor speed control mode option, select external offset. The critical rotor speed option refers to the minimum rotor head speed of the helicopter. The throttle ramp time as option refers to the acceleration time for the main ESC from 0 to the set speed. The rotor run-up time as option refers to the rotor head spool-up time. The helicopter is only allowed to take off after this time has elapsed. The cooldown time as option is set to the default value of 0. Note, the rotor head spool-up time must be greater than the throttle acceleration time from 0 to the set speed. External motor governor setpoint refers to the throttle value RPM output by the main ESC. Note, the value of external motor governor setpoint must be greater than the value of critical rotor speed. If the value of external motor governor setpoint is less than the value of critical rotor speed, the L7 flight controller will report an error. The throttle curve value is set by default. Tail type refers to the tail configuration. If your helicopter's tail uses a servo, you can select servo only. If your helicopter's tail uses a tail motor, you can select direct drive fix.